Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to enable video engine in Pro Tools. So you must activate it in the playback engine settings. Note that this requires a restart of the engine and can take a few moments to initialize. So go to the top menu and select Setup and Playback Engine. So we need to playback engine like that. This window will pop up here. Now at the bottom of the window, look for the video engine. So video engine here. You will check the box next to enable, click OK. Video playback is not supported when using a Windows audio device. OK. And yeah, this will take some 10 to 30 minutes. Now to see that, once the engine is enabled, you can have imported a video file. So you will go here to the file, import video, then you will select from where. So let's go just for like that. Okay. So now, as you can see, I have imported the video. And yeah, this is basically it. Shortcut that you have, you can press CMD +9 on Mac or Control +9 on Windows. Or yeah, go here to the Windows and then to the video. And it will open up Video Universal here, but I don't have a video enabled here. And this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.